Assalamualaikum, level 2. I am your teacher, Miss Wachiha from Falcon House Grammar School, Campus 9. Level 2. Hope you all are doing well. This is your literature unit, level 2. So, open your literature book, page number. Today, we are going to read page number 43 and 44. We have done our chapter number 1, which was A Beautiful Baby Girl. Beta, in that chapter, we learned that once there lived a king and queen, and they were very sad because they didn't have any child. But after, when a beautiful baby girl was born, the king and queen decided to give a great feast. They have only 12 golden cups for the fairies, but in that kingdom 13 fairies were lived. One fairy was not invited by the king, and that fairy was very angry. Now come toward our chapter number 2, the 13th fairy. On the day of the feast, many people came. They all had a wonderful time. Then the fairies gave presents to the little princess. One gave her a gift to make her beautiful. One fairy gave a gift to the baby girl that this gift make you beautiful, baby girl. Second fairy gave her a gift to make her good tempered. Another fairy gave her a gift to make her kind, generous. But when the 12th fairy was waiting to give her gift, one by one, level 2, one by one, all the fairies gave baby girl a gift to make her beautiful, good tempered, kind, generous, one by one. When it was the 12th fairy turn, when she was about to give her gift, something happened. What had happened? The 13th fairy appeared. She was very angry because she was not invited by the king. That's why the 13th fairy was very angry, and when the 12th fairy was waiting to give baby girl a gift, 13th fairy appeared. She was very angry. As she had not been invited, so she wanted to punish king and queen for not inviting 13th fairy. She wanted to make king and queen unhappy by doing something bad to their little girl, to their little Rosebud. The name of the little girl was Rosebud. The baby girl was lying quietly in her mother's arm. The 13th fairy wept up to the Rosebud. And 13th fairy cried out and said, when the king's daughter is 15 years old. Beta, level 2, pay attention. What she said? She said, when the king's daughter is 15 years old, she was talking about the future. When the king's daughter is 15 years old, Rosebud will prick her finger on a needle and fall down dead. Then the 13th fairy walked out of the palace after completing her curse. Although level 2, the 12th fairy had not yet given her gift because she was about to give her a gift. Suddenly 13th fairy appeared. Now it's 12th fairy turn. 12th fairy had not yet given her gift. 12th fairy came to the king and queen and said, I cannot stop the bad wish from coming true, but I can soften it. I say, your daughter will not die, but she will fall asleep for 100 years. 12th fairy said, once any fairy give a curse or a gift to a baby girl or any prince or prince, that wish we cannot stop to happen, but we can soften it. So the 12th fairy softened the curse of the 13th fairy by saying that when your daughter is 15 years old, she will prick her finger on a needle, but she will not die. She will fall asleep for 100 years. The king wanted to save his daughter from such a terrible thing, because king was afraid of the 13th fairy curse. King told his soldiers to look for all the needles in the kingdom. King threw every one of the needles to the bottom of a deep dark well. King was the father of Rosebud, so he wanted to save his daughter. How? He ordered his soldiers to take all the needles and all the sharp objects out of the kingdom. Now page number 44. The room in the old tower. All the fairies' good wishes came true. How? Like the princess grew up to be a good-tempered, beautiful, kind and happy child. Everyone who knew her loved her. Beta, the fairies gave what the fairies gave wishes to Rosebud came true. The first fairy gave her a gift that you will become a very beautiful. Second fairy said, my gift to you is to make you good tempered. So there all the good wishes came true. The princess' 15th birthday came. Finally, the princess is about to be 15 years old. That morning, when the king and queen were not at home, the princess had nothing to do. She was getting bored in the palace. So she decided to go to the parts of the palace she had never seen before. Level 2, a palace is a place which is a very, very big. So she wanted to discover new places of the palace. The palace was big, old building. It had many hundreds of rooms. Can you imagine? Many hundreds of rooms. The princess walked about here and there by herself. She opened the door of this room and that room. She was roaming around and looked inside. At least she came to an old tower. There were some stairs in the tower. The princess climbed up until princess came to a little door. In the door was a golden key. She turned the key. She opened the door and looked in. There, in a little room at the top of the tower, sat an old lady. She was busy doing some sewing. Level 2, when the princess decided to discover new places in the tower, and when she decided to go to other parts of the palace that she had never seen before, the palace was big. So she discovered an old tower, and in that tower there were some stairs. So she climbed up until she came to a little door, and in that door there was a golden key. So with the help of the golden key, princess opened that door of an old tower. In that room, beta, princess saw there is an old lady who was sitting and busy doing some sewing. Why, good lady, princess said to that old lady, that what are you doing? Why are you sitting here? Why are you so alone? I am sewing, said the old lady and smiled. I must finish this coat by tonight. I came up here because it is quiet. No one will stop me doing my work. She went on with her sewing. She worked so fast that the needle sparkled in the bright sun. Level 2. The old lady was actually a very cruel lady. She said that I am going to finish making this coat by tonight. And as you see, princess, that this old tower is very quiet place. No one came here and no one will disturb me. That's why I decided to sew my coat in that dark room. And level 2, when that old lady was sewing the coat, she worked so fast that the needle sparkled in the bright sun. How quick you are with that pretty little thing, said the princess. She pointed to the needle. She had never seen one in the whole of her life. Her father, the king, had thrown away all the needles that his soldiers brought to him. With a level 2, when princess was a child, the king wanted to save his child. That's why he threw all the needles and all the sharp objects out from the kingdom. So the princess never seen such object or such a needle in her palace. So she was very surprised to see such a pretty little thing that worked very fast. Princess put her finger very close to where the old lady was sewing. The needle just touched her finger. Suddenly the princess fell down to the ground. Why the princess fell down, level 2? Because that was the curse given by the 13th fairy. What was the curse? The curse was, when the king's daughter is 15 years old, she will prick her finger on a needle and fall down dead. So that was the curse that came true on her 15th birthday. Princess' face went white. Princess' eyes closed. She looked dead. But level 2, she was not dead, because the 12th fairy softened 13th fairy wish by saying that princess will not die, but she will fall asleep for 100 years. When the princess fell down to the ground, the old lady smiled. The old lady smiled. She turned into a fairy. This old lady, when the princess fell down to the ground, the old lady smiled and she turned into a fairy and flew out of the window. Now level 2, guess who is this lady? I am thinking level 2. She is 13th fairy who disguised herself and became an old lady. This old lady was really a 13th fairy. Am I right? Now level 2. What about your assignment? Your assignment is, first of all, open your exercise book. Write date. Today is 22 April 2021. And I hope you all make a title page of final term. After the title page of final term, title page of unit number 8, Rosebud. Now this is your assignment of today. These are the difficult words you have to write in your exercise book in a very neat and clean writing. First one is because, pushed, beautiful, rosebud, great feast, invite, daughter, kingdom, wonderful, 12th, appeared, angry, punish, unhappy, quietly. So you have to write all these difficult words in your exercise book. Level 2, hope you are enjoying this interesting story of the rosebud. Now do complete your home tasks within time. Take very good care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.